So if you're working in tight spots, I'm going to show you a nailer that is out of this world. So this is the mini palm nailer, and you've probably seen them, maybe you haven't. I never even heard of them until my brother had mentioned it to me. This is FREEMAN. I've got a link below for this particular one. I think they're like $40. They're really inexpensive. This is what they look like. You just hook an air hose to them. And what we're using them for is in tight spots when you're working in joists like this. I mean, I'm 16-inch crammed in here, and I'm a wide guy. But to get a nailer in here, and I'll show you a close-up view of this thing in action. Back up. So we're using tension bridging by Simpson and strong tie, and then we're using these smooth shank galvanized hot dipped nails, basically, and we're gonna put them on there, and I'm gonna show you up close. Sorry about the camera movement. Let me just get things set up here. So it's just like a typical air gun, so you lock it in. There's no buttons on it. It's activated by pushing down. So you can see if we have a nail, and let me just bring this down, stick a nail in just like that. It's magnetic, and then basically you just give it a little bit of pressure and it is in, and it's incredible for doing bridging or anything like this. So I'm trying to record these videos because I've learned so much on YouTube, and I want to teach you what I've learned, and some of the things that I've seen on YouTube or are not on YouTube that I've been searching for. So basically this bridging crisscrosses like so. So the whole point of this is to create strength, and mostly to keep the floor joists from twisting. That's the whole idea of this. So we're going to attach it at the top, and you want to do this before the floor goes in. And it is just insane how this thing works. You can even tap things down, like if it's not quite in shape or whatever, you can go ahead and get underneath it. That was on a knot, so it's pretty incredible. And I would say not to let these things rub against each other, just in case there's any flex in the floor. But you can see, to do a traditional nailer wouldn't be as convenient as this. So if you like this nailer, like this video, leave a comment below, questions, and hit that like button because that helps my algorithms. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, and so this really helps when you guys comment and like the video. And there's a link for Amazon to grab this with the nails and the tensioners if you need it all. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.